I'm a globe wanderer. I have traveled a lot, I have seen a lot. Until my journey started here, in the center of the world. Dunya, Egypt. I call it home. The Nile never ceased to amaze me. It offers a journey through space and time to exquisite magical sights that changed my perspective on life forever. Egypt enlivens the senses. With spectacular views, colorful cuisine, sandy shores, and many cultural sites. From tombs and temples to the contemporary Grand Egyptian Museum. I fell in love with the people as much as the sights. Their warm hospitality and vibrant cultures feels like home away from home. Marriott International has a rich portfolio of 18 hotels and resorts, anchored strategically throughout Egypt. We are committed to upholding only the highest global hygiene practices and refining our safety and cleanliness regulations so that we may continue our journey and create bon voyage moments together. There are still many places to be seen and stories to be told.
The thrill, the magic, and adventures await.
Travel brilliantly and welcome to Egypt.